test it on my mom's hair, and as you can see, she's getting a lot of new baby gray hairs near her hairline. So now it's the perfect time to test this out.
Unfortunately, I wasn't blessed with the thickest beard, but I discovered a hack to make it seem otherwise. You'll just need a root touch-up spray, which are normally used for things like covering up grey hairs, but work perfectly to make a beard look more full. To keep everything tidy, I use a paper towel along the beard line and lightly spray the areas that could do with being more filled in. It only takes a few seconds and the difference is crazy. Plus, it washes off super easily at the end of the day, so there's no long-term commitment.
Someone said for blondes with dark roots, this could be considered a dark root, right? Okay, let's try spraying this on and let's hope I'm an instant bottle blonde. We're starting off small. I'm doing a money piece. This is the shade light blonde. Let's hope this works so I don't look like I'm an idiot. It's working. It's working. Oh my god. Hold on, I applied one layer. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna apply another layer. It worked.
And the last way I tested this out is to see if it could fill in my sparse hairline. And just look at that, it did it in like 1 second.
That is so good.